Hello, sweet Stampin' friends. Deborah Harrison here with Simply Sweetening Designs. And guys, I am so excited to share with you my March craft along, which will be on Tuesday, March 31st at 2 o'clock Central Time over on my YouTube channel. So I hope that you will join me for this super fun craft along. I wanted to share with you the project that we're going to be making, which is going to be a mini recipe album featuring the Filled with Sweetness bundle and that adorable Homemade Sweetness Designer Series paper. So I thought I would walk you through the album, tell you what is included, as well as what supplies you will need and how you can register for this really fun craft along kit. So it does come, it is in a Stampin' Up! Mini album. And so here on the front, we have this really cute little image here with the jam jar that you will stamp and die cut with the Filled with Sweetness bundle. Then you've got here just a little place that you could write a special note for somebody, and then the title page, and then you've got a table of contents. So if you have special recipes that you want to include in this album, you can write them and list them right there. So you'll have places to be able to add some recipes, maybe add some nice little notes or journaling. You could add pictures. This would make such a wonderful gift for somebody. I will tell you, my husband and I have been married for almost 35 years. And one of the gifts that we got when we got married was a set of recipes from a friend. And I will tell you, that was such a special gift to be able to start our married life. You're going to be using in the kit, you'll be using the designer series paper to be able to cut out some panels, cut out some images, some of the little jars, and some of the fruits that are part of that really cute paper pack. And then this right here, you can slide out and then add a little note on the back. And then here at the back, there are 4 pages that I intentionally left unfilled, and that is for you to be able to use whatever designer series paper you have left over so that you can decorate these last 4 pages. Also too, you can add in some pictures, some extra recipes, whatever you want to add here, you'll have those pages to be able to do that. Now, this project kit, it does cost $50, which is shipped to you, including tracking, and you will need certain supplies to be able to make this project as I designed it. You will specifically need the Filled with Sweetness bundle, which includes the stamp set and the set of dies, because you will be doing some stamping and die cutting with the pieces that I'll be including in your kit. You will also need 2 ink pads. That is the Misty Moonlight and the Strawberry Slush, as well as some kind of adhesive. I like multi-purpose liquid glue, but you can use your favorite tape adhesive. And then if you like, this is optional, but if you would like, Stampin' Dimensionals would be helpful if you want to pop up some of the elements. I specifically popped them up here on the cover. Inside, I kept everything flat so that everything was nice and easy to be able to lay down on the pages. So what is included in your kit? This is quite it's an easy project once you have everything prepped. However, there are a lot of pieces to it. In your kit, you will receive a half a pack of the Homemade Sweetness Designer Series paper, which has these adorable little jam jars and ladybugs and fruit. And then on the back, you just got a nice selection of some nice prints there that you can include in your project. There is also a lot of cardstock panels, so I will be cutting out those panels that you will be using to be able to add on your pieces of designer series paper and the little elements that you're going to be cutting. So you got lots of different colors. You will also too, I will include some die cuts for you of some of the labels, and there is a circle for that big jam jar in there, and then the big banner label for the front. Now, there are some things you're going to need to prep ahead of time because, like I said, it is a it's got a lot of pieces to it, but once you have all the pieces done, it's quite easy to put together. So you will need to, oh, also to include, you will need to do some stamping and die cutting. So you will have some cardstock pieces in your project kit that will be separately labeled so that you know that these are to use to stamp and die cut using the Filled with Sweetness bundle. And then you will also too need to cut from the designer series paper, that half a pack that's included in your kit. You're gonna need to cut some of the pieces that will go inside. So you'll have a lot of panels that you'll be cutting ahead of time. And then just some other pieces you'll need to you'll need to cut out beforehand. Now from the designer series paper, there will also to be quite a few of the jam jars and the fruits and stuff that you will need to cut out ahead of time. Now also included in your kit is 6 sets of paper that will be printed for you so that you have 12 journaling cards. You will have 9 recipes that you can cut out. And then you'll have the table of contents and the title page. And you will have this included in your PDF tutorial so that if you want to print out and cut out more of the journal or the recipe pages, you will have that available to do that. So you will need to prep a lot ahead of time, but if you want to, you're welcome to just watch the replay and craft at your leisure. You're welcome to do that as well. So registration does run from now until March 1st, 2026, at which time I will order all of the supplies and have them shipped to you by March 15th. So you have them in plenty of time to be able to receive your kit and get all those pieces prepped ahead of time. And guys, I would love to be able to send you some happy mail. And so if you have any questions at all, please reach out. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you at the craft along on March 31st. Take care. Bye, guys.